Alright, comment 1548, when students have needlessly thought that what they had was wrong and crossed it when in fact it was right, and they often think that because it's not what's in the back of the book. So for example, they might get this whereas the back of the book says that, or vice versa, or their final answer to an algebra question was that whereas the book's final answer was that. And what I'm saying often with this comment is that the two things are equal to each other and therefore they're just as good. So I'll write comment 1548 when I want to say that that's perfectly fine and correct. Not just correct, but it would get you full marks, and equally that that's perfectly fine and correct. Now, of course, you need to pay attention to the wording of the question. If it said it wanted something in fully simplified form, then that's not good enough. Obviously, you've got to change it to this. But in this case, I wouldn't say that that was fine and correct. I'd say that it was correct, but that it wouldn't get you full marks. If you get comment 1548 a lot, it means that you should be alive to the various different versions of things, maybe even make a summary poster of it, maybe to remind yourself that surds can look all sorts of crazy different ways. When I first learnt surds, it took me a long time to get my head around the fact that these meant the same. But also if you got comment 1548 a lot, it means possibly that in an exam context you should save time and not do unnecessary simplifications at the end of an answer.